you didn't already know, I'm a different breed. In my own lane and I'm in a different league. When they hear me spit, they don't dread about the killing of the beat, cause I'm built so differently. Rappers been an A game when they spit with me. Better tell me no single bit of quit in me. I've been switching gears, hitting different speeds. I don't really bark, you'll get bit with me. Yo, what's up, you guys? We're here for another episode of Chainsaw Man. And what happened last episode?
Everyone died.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, Makima.
Oh no. Well yeah.
Killed a lot of people.
She was like playing voodoo doll Play-Doh.
Yeah, making Play-Doh.
With people. And then there was like that one dude who quit. He was like questioning her like, how much of what happened today like were you aware of? And like, so it like makes you question like, were those dudes, were like some extra casualties kind of her fault? But just, I don't think she's bad, but she probably knew like they're a means to a greater end. Like, she's trying to kill the gun devil, so you know people are gonna die along the way. So I don't necessarily think she's like, yeah, I don't think she's necessarily evil or two-faced or whatever. But just some people are gonna have to die to kill the gun devil.
You questioning that again?
No, just I've seen a bunch of people just like, you know, after that guy asked her like, how much of what happened today were you aware of? It's like, you know, you have an agenda, you have a mission, but there's people getting killed in the process. So yeah, like the other rookie and stuff. So jump right in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's check it out. Bro, get your shoes.
Denji's okay. He was cut in half the last time we saw him.
Yeah, that's true.
I see apples. I think Ryuk.
There's literally 20 more. And you guys just leave my room messy? What? Oh no. 2 years? I wonder how much time he had before he used it all on the like katana man. RP.
There's not even like a body to bury.
I know. This sucks. Tanjiro! Is the overhaul Nanami voice dude?
Yeah.
The Joker voice dude. I thought they died. Huh? Oh wow, she can give it to other people. Dog, we training or what is this? Her head about to fall off. Jeez. I think he'd be okay with accepting death as long as like the gun devil's dead.
Yeah, I think he would rather die in battle.
At least trying to kill the gun devil.
Than just living life,
Yeah.
which I respect.
Yeah. Because he spent all this time with the goal, so if he just chills now, it's like he never succeeded.
Who's that?
Jeez.
扱いしやがってよ。どんどんマジでムカついてきたぜ。
That's so cool. Oh, that's cool. What the heck? Shoot. Yeah, this guy is nasty.
He reminds me of a character from a movie.
Like a real life movie? Jason Statham. Really, dude? Oh my god, bro. How much times has the main character died in this show?
Then she started smiling.
Oh, interesting, okay. Who?
The girl who went to go visit him.
Oh. Oh, that's Jimena's sister? What the heck? I also forced him to start smoking. Trying Aki to quit. The future devil.
Aki has nothing. It's scary. They just have all these like monsters.
Really? What? Good episode. What's that dude's name?
Which one?
The one who's training them now?
I forgot.
He's cool. I like him. And he's just, I feel like he's just been popping off just with natural.
Nothing from.
Yeah, nothing. Just he's just fighting and being nasty. We didn't even see his powers yet, his contracts. So he's guaranteed super strong. And Denji just died again. We learned power gets anemic when she loses too much blood.
Oh, yeah, makes sense. She is a fiend.
Yeah, so she can't. So that just they're kind of showing like there's gonna be times where she's fighting where she needs to chill with the like how much blood she uses. So she does have like a weakness and stuff. And now Aki, you know,
2 years left.
he has two. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. He has 2 years left of his to live. So, like you said earlier, I feel like he's the type he became a hunter for a reason to like avenge his family. So like, if he's gonna die, he wants to die like
He wants to go out with a bang. So.
Yeah, if not kill the devil, the gun devil, at least die trying. So I respect that.
He'll feel better that way. You'd rather do that instead of like avoid the problem.
Yeah.
He's not the type of person to do that.
I get it. I if whatever he chooses to do, I understand it. So, and then I guess we just gotta wait for the next episode to see what kind of devil he's. I mean, it's the future devil, but like, if
well, let's see how these contracts
are made.
Yeah.
Yeah, like what's said and like how do they make the bargain? Like, oh, I'll give you my power, but give me half your life. Like, I got 2 years left. Okay, give me 1 year. Like,
jeez, imagine.
So, if she says give me half your life, he's like, I technically only have 2 years left. I don't know. Yeah, they better stretch this out or like end the whole thing soon. Cause like if you're not gonna give us more seasons with Aki in it, cause he's gonna die, then it's like.
No, I like Aki.
Yeah. What, fire episode?
I just like characters like that.
Yes, and there is.
Stop it.
Thank you guys for watching this reaction. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, check out my music, all our other content, follow us on social media, links will be down below. And we'll see you next week for Chainsaw. I'm sad it's coming to an end, but Fire. See you. Thank you.